Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin inside the layout. You want to exit a viewport cleanly. First, make sure you are on the Layout tab and click the viewport edge to select it. If you are inside Model Space, type P-Space or double-click the paper area to toggle back. This switches your active environment. If the viewport is locked, unlock it by selecting Properties and setting Display Lock to No. Once done, you will be ready to change focus without altering view scale or annotations. Now you control how the viewport behaves after exit. You can use the status bar or right-click to choose model or paper space. This avoids unintentional zooms. From the command line, type M-space to enter model space or P-space to return to paper. Toggle only when you need to edit geometry versus annotations. Make sure the UCS and annotation scale remain what you expect, and lock the viewport if necessary to preserve the view once you have the correct zoom and orientation. To finish, preserve the viewport state by selecting the boundary and enabling display locked. This prevents accidental pans or zooms. If the view jumps or the screen blanks, use Redraw or Region to refresh the display and recover correct visuals. If problems persist, check whether layers are frozen in that viewport, whether viewport overrides exist, or whether selection cycling and grips are interfering. Finally, save a layout view or create a named view so you can restore the exact viewport configuration later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.